Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, where my goal is to help you make money online. I upload a new video every week, so make sure to subscribe not to miss any new opportunities. In today's video, I will make a full review of SuperPayMe and request my first payment, where you can get paid via PayPal, Skrill, Bitcoin, and much more by watching videos, completing surveys, and offers. If you haven't signed up yet, click on the link in the description below to earn a 20 cents bonus. Once you click on the link, hit Join Free today and enter your information. They will also ask for your address to prevent fraud, so make sure you enter all the information required. SuperPayMe is available worldwide, as you can see in the list of countries. If you don't see the name of your country, check regions like Europe, Asia Pacific, etc. Here you can enter your details on how you want to get paid, but you can of course change that later on. And something very important before signing up, make sure that you never use a VPN. I made that mistake once. I was not trying to cheat the system to get more surveys, but I sometimes use a VPN and accidentally forgot to turn it off once and they blocked my account. I explained to them that it was a mistake and I didn't complete any surveys while I was on the VPN, and they were nice enough to reactivate my account, but my advice is be very careful with that. Before requesting a payment, you might also have to send them a bill with your name on it. They will let you know if you need to. I will actually withdraw payment in a minute, so we'll see if they ask for it or not. I am now on the homepage of SuperPayMe, and as you can see, I currently have 21 cents in my cash balance and a bit over 136 points. 1 point is worth 1 cent, so 136 points is worth $1.36. The minimum withdrawal amount is only $1 with SuperPayMe, so you can request your first payment very fast, as you already start off with 20 cents when signing up with my link. When you complete surveys or offers, they will give you points or cash, and you can of course convert your points into cash by clicking on Convert here. So because I have 136.7 points, I will only be able to convert 136 points, because decimals will not be taken into consideration, as 0.70 points is worth a seventh of a cent. Once you enter your points, simply click on Convert to Cash, and now my balance is at $1.57. Once you reach your first dollar, go back to the home page and click on Cash Out here. And from there, you will be able to select how you want to get paid. If you want to withdraw less than $5, the only option is to get paid via PayPal, and there will be a small 2% fee. If you reach $5, you can get paid via Skrill, and you will need $200 to get paid via Bitcoin. So I will now withdraw my $1.57 via PayPal. Because of the 2% fee, I should lose a few cents, so the real amount I will get should be a bit lower. To help prevent fraud, they are asking to enter your phone number, and an automated verification code will be given to verify your account. They say that you only have to do this once, so next time you withdraw money, it should be instant. Select your country, in my case I live in Ireland, and then enter your phone number without the first 0. Then select Call Me. Once the automated phone call gives you the code, enter it here and click on Verify. The payment should take up to 24 hours, but more commonly between 2 to 8 hours. As you can see on the right part of the screen, my username is showing, saying I have just earned $1.57 in cash. I will pause the recording a bit later on, so I can then show you my payment proof from my PayPal account, as it can take up to 24 hours to receive it. SuperPayMe can be a bit confusing at first, but I will show you that it's not that hard to find your way around once you use it frequently. Surveys are available worldwide, but like most similar websites, the amount of opportunities you can get will depend on the country you live in and your demographics. The good thing is that they offer so many surveys and even offers that there should always be something for you to complete. In the paid survey section, you will see a long list of different surveys. You can also simply click on it and you will see surveys that are available worldwide or international. The first one here, for example, is available worldwide and you can earn 85 cents. If you want to complete it, just click on this link here. If you go back to the paid survey section and click on New Paid Surveys, you will see that some are country specific as well, like Australia, the UK, the US, India, and Italy here. On the right hand side, you will also often see a list of surveys. This one here should pay you $1.37 and take approximately 3 minutes to complete. The one below should take you 8 minutes, and these other two pay a bit less for 15 or 13 minutes of your time. In the paid survey section again, you can also choose to complete surveys from all these different platforms. In my experience, Peanut Labs pays quite well and I often qualify, but this could vary depending on where you live, your age, etc. So the best is to try them all and see which works best for you. You can see the amount of points you can get if you qualify and how long these surveys take to complete on average. The time mentioned will depend how fast you are. In my experience, most surveys take much less time than what is being said here. In the offer walls, you will also see similar different platforms, but usually offers are things like downloading games on your phone, signing up to websites, etc. Here, for example, you will get paid 972 points, or $9.72 for downloading and playing Board Kings on your mobile phone if you complete level 12 within 11 days, and this offer works on both Android and iOS. And if you scroll down, you will see a lot more similar offers. You can also filter your search by categories, such as mobile phones, and choose Android or iPhone. Here is another game you can play from your phone and earn 972 points or $9.72, which is the same amount as the other game I showed you earlier, but here you will need to reach level 17. There is no time limit for this one, so I'm guessing you can take your time to complete this one. Then there is also a quick section where you can earn points very fast. This would usually be things like signing up to a website or starting a free trial with some services such as Apple Music, here for example, or Apple TV, etc. In the referral section, you can get your referral code that you can share on social media to earn 25% of their earnings. The majority of survey websites will only give you 5 to 10% of the earnings of the people you refer, so this is much more than most websites. There are also banners if you have a website, so you can simply copy their code and insert it on your website. In the contest section, SuperPayMe gives a total of $1,000 to their users for the top 20 that earn the most amount of cash within a specific period of time. This one runs from April 1st to June 30th, 2021, and the first place will earn $350. This is a great prize if you manage to already earn a lot with SuperPayMe. As you can see, some members earn a lot, so it will not be easy to compete. In the reward section, you will see all the latest earnings from members. The first one is me, and it shows here that I earned $1.53 and got paid via PayPal. If you remember earlier, I requested $1.57, but because of their 2% fee, I got a few cents less. I will now log into my PayPal account to see if I received the amount. As you can see, 99 Ventures Ltd from SuperPayMe paid me $1.54. There is a bit of inconsistency with the earnings I got, as they mentioned I earned $1.53 on their website, but I got $1.54 in my PayPal account. To sum up, SuperPayMe is one of the fastest ways to earn your first dollar online. Payments take up to 24 hours, but in my case it only took about 5 minutes, and with the 20 cents you start with, it shouldn't take long to request your first payment. Anyways, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you next week for another video.